I'm an Air Force veteran here with some Army veterans. We're just wondering why we should vote for someone who voted for a war and enabled a war to kill thousands of our brothers and sisters. Countless Iraqi citizens. You enabled that war. You also gave a medal to a man who enabled that war and caused that war. Your blood is on your hands as well. And you're disqualified. You're disqualified. You're disqualified. My friends are dead.
So is my son who was in Iraq. Okay? For years. That doesn't matter, right? Nothing that matters to me. It matters a lot to me. Let me tell
I'm
you
sure it
something.
does.
Okay.
And I'm not going after your son.
You better remember.
I'm not. No, I'm not going after your son. You were disqualified, sir. Disqualified. The blood is on your hands. Blood is on your hands. No. My brothers and sisters died in Iraq and Afghanistan. And he enabled that to happen. He enabled that to happen. He is disqualified. He is disqualified. No way he can be president. They are dead. Millions are dead in Iraq. He will not be allowed to be president. Disqualified. Trump is more anti-war than you.
Fucking bullshit. Fucking imperialist. We actually fought in your damn wars. We fought in your wars. You sent us to hurt civilians. We hurt civilians. You pushed us out to do it.